Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm sharing another snack recipe, bread buns, and a different type of bread buns. The- And today we're not going to be frying it, we're going to be baking it. And the outcome of this bread buns or cake buns or biscuits, tea biscuit, the outcome is very delicious. You're going to be making this every time if you try it. So let's get started. Into my mixing bowl, I'll go in with 6 cups of all-purpose flour, then 1 cup of sugar. You can add less or more. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt or a pinch of salt. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of nutmeg for some flavor. You can add any flavor of your choice, then mix together. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Next, I'll add 200 grams of butter. You can also use margarine for this. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. After mixing the butter into the flour mix, I'll then make a hole in the middle and set it aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Whispering flavors floating in another bowl, I'll add 3 eggs and whisk. In the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. After whisking the egg, I'll now go in with 1 cup of drinking yogurt. You can also use milk for this. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. I also decided to add about a teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. It's optional. Like I said, use any flavor of your choice. Kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. It is now time to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together so that they can marry each other. For peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. When you're mixing this, if your water or yogurt is not enough, you can sprinkle a little water. And if it is too soft, you can also sprinkle a little flour. So after mixing it gradually until the wet and the dry come together, the next thing we're going to do is to roll it out for cutting. So to do this, I'm going to sprinkle some all-purpose flour on my work surface or on my cutting board or chopping board. Because what I have here is a soft dough, I'll also sprinkle some flour on top of it before rolling. so that it will not stick too much on my rolling pin or on the board.
For peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
Then roll it there and cut it. You can use your biscuit cutter for this, or your cup, or anything that you can use, and they give it the shape you want. This
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace.
and this is me trying different shapes, big, small, medium.
Gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly.
I'll then transfer them into a baking tray, roll and cut the remaining ones same way.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking.
And here I have them all. The next thing we're going to do is to egg wash this, because we're going to bake. You can also fry this if you want to, but we're going to bake this. So I'm going to egg wash this. I took out a tablespoon of egg from the egg mixture earlier on and added 2 tablespoons of milk. So we're going to use it to egg wash our snack before baking.
Life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found.
After egg washing, it is now time to bake our scones or biscuits, tea biscuits, or bread buns or cake buns. Call it whatever you prefer. And here we have our tea biscuits or scones, well baked. This took about 30 minutes and I baked it at 180 degrees Celsius.
Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.
Look at how gorgeous they look. That was how yummy they tasted too. What do you think we should call this snack? I call it baked bread buns. You can also call it tea biscuits.
Gentle rhythms.
I oiled and floored my baking pan. That's why you have the flour at the bottom there. But if you have baking sheet, that's baking paper or foil paper, you may not need to flour your pan. You need to try these bread buns or tea cake. You will not need to buy bread again if you try this. I'm serious about it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.